Kita mo na.
Young. To your left. Left. Young here.
Young center.
Young here.
Edward.
Okay, Young, please greet our friends from the press.
Hello po. Thank you po sa support natin. Thank you po sa lahat.
Bukas.
Please welcome our second big placer. Wala iba kundi si Kisses!
Young. Huwag niyong bilisan.
Edward.
Pieces center.
Center. Stand. To your left.
Kisses.
Pieces center. Pieces.
Kisses last here.
Oh my God.
Kisses, please greet our friends from the press.
Oh, it's such an honor to be here. Sobrang honored po ako. Makaharap kayo lahat. Salamat po. I would like to greet you. Good evening sa inyo lahat.
Good morning.
Ay, good morning po. Happy breakfast.
Finally, number 10, what is the most significant change? Please take your seat. And now, our big winner, please welcome Mai.
My center.
Stand up.
Wait lang po. Sorry.
Yan.
Guys, unahin muna natin sa right side ni Mai.
Okay, yan. No. Stay.
Okay.
Center.
Center.
My here.
And then to your left. And then quarter turn. Good. Mai, please greet our friends.
Hello po. Hello po sa inyo.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Okay. Usap tayo Monday. Rest Monday.
Okay, we'd like to call our business unit head. Dashing and debonair, Sir Unit Head. Dashing and debonair, Sir Raymond Dizon. Sir Raymond, any message to our friends from the press? Congratulations. Very successful.
I would like to thank everybody. I would like to thank everybody for supporting the 7 months of PBB, supporting a group of talented group of teens, talented group of housemates. siguro ako, and I've never had yung ganito talaga galing na housemate. So, my congratulations on the winner. I think Marcos and Mama Bear would like to say something.
Sorry lang po, tawag tayo.
Edward, here.
Well, we just want to thank everyone for supporting. Just so you know, this season was just supposed to last for 17 weeks. But it got extended to 34 weeks. And feeling ko dahil to sa apat na to, kasi nga sobrang minahal sila ng tao, kaya they got extended and extended. Dapat 7 weeks lang yung dates, but it got extended to 15 weeks. Because people love them. So maraming salamat. Good job. Edward.
Thank you for the support that you have given PBB. For the past 10 years, sinong mag-aakala na meron pang ganitong kagagaling ng mga kabataan na mahahanap ng Pinoy Big Brother. Nagpapasalamat ang programa dahil they trusted the show and nagpakatotoo sila. Actually, ang corny na, di ba? Yung parang nagpapakatotoo. Pero sa tingin ko, kaya nagtagal ng 34 weeks ang PBB kasi isa sila sa mga naging malaking factor kung bakit minahal sila ng tao. Naging totoo sila. Hindi sila naging plastic. So, ano yan para mga anak namin yan, these are our babies. So, wala na. Wala na. Para nagpakasal nakagawa. So, maraming
Ayun, again, thank you very much. I'd like to quote lang yung sinabi kanina ni Keses na huwag bibitaw sa pangarap. Yun talaga yun talaga yung ano dun yung essence of PBB. Thank you. Yung naiyak talaga ako sa speech in my kanina kasi nga sinabi nga niya magbibitaw sa pangarap. Maybe that's really the essence of PBB. Parang it's really fulfilling the dreams of the dreams of yung mga kabataang Pinoy at hindi lang yung mga kabataang Pinoy, all our housemates, natupad ang kanilang mga pangarap sa PBB. So, thank you for sharing your stories with us, guys. And hopefully, di ba, in the years to come, you'd always look back and thank PBB pa rin. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Raymond, Mama Bear, and Marcos. Okay, ang unang magtatanong ay nagpakatotoo rin, no? Mula sa Rappler, wala ba kundi si Alex Villanos. Okay.
Hey, here. Dahil nalang din naman napunta tayo sa usapang magpakatotoo, okay? Kay Maymay. Kasi a lot of people kanina really were moved with what you said. So, where did it come from? What made you say that? Yung sa mga nangyari sa sa'yo inside the house, ano yung mga instances that made you say those words kanina sa message mo?
Faith po.
So, gusto mo yung mic sa kanila? Yung mic sa kanila.
Okay.
Nasabi ko po kanina dahil po sa faith na meron ako at sa yung tiwala sa kanya po. Dahil talagang napakaraming pagsubok na naranasan ko po sa buhay. Pero kasi may choices po tayo kung susuko ka o babangon ka ulit. Pero pinili kong bumangon at hindi ko akalain na ito po yung ibibigay niya sa akin. Kaya talagang hanggat hindi mo nagagawa na bumangon, hindi mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung para sa'yo. Kaya yung ginawa ko. At ito na po yung para sa akin. Kaya masaya ako.
Question, kasi I know you guys have just been out, I guess, about an hour, 2 hours. So what are you feeling right now? Kasi kalalabas niyo lang, and I'm sure some of you are like, what the heck is going on right now? Edward.
Sobrang saya talaga. I mean, we were there for shorter, I think, shorter than the teen edition. For the Dream Team, we were there for a shorter time. But coming out for us this time meant a lot more. We came out and felt a lot better to see my family again. And especially coming out with these these three. It's like the best thing that I could have asked for. It's the best thing that could have happened. My big winner, nah. So everybody's happy at the moment. I, for one, it's a little overwhelming at the moment, but for sure, very, very happy.